Thinking about working with Outlier.ai, but is it legit or just a waste of time? Let's break down the real deal on Outlier.ai jobs in this quick review. Real deal signs. Actual work. Outlier offers real tasks like rating AI responses, which helps train AI models. Flexible schedule. You choose when you work, making it a side hustle option. Competitive pay. They advertise competitive pay per hour based on project difficulty. Fake deal warnings. Unstable work. Some reviews mention limited tasks or waiting for projects. Unclear communication. There might be issues reaching support or getting feedback. Long onboarding. Be prepared for training modules that might not be paid. So, fake or real? Outlier.ai has potential, but proceed with caution. Reviews are mixed. It could be a good fit if you're flexible and okay with potentially limited work. Do your research. Before applying, check recent reviews and weigh the pros and cons. There might be better options for consistent income. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Outlier.ai and what your experience was like. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech job reviews. Thanks for watching.